Welcome to the How to Create and Post Recurring Journal Entries video. In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up and post recurring journal entries to help you perform repetitive postings quickly and accurately. Recurrent entries can be used for items that are repeatedly posted each month, like amortization or monthly expenses. There are two types of recurring entries in the General Ledger module: recurring journal entries and recurring GL entries. Both are very similar in function and differ only in what they are able to post to. For example, recurring journal entries, General Ledger, files, set up recurring journal entries are able to post to jobs, work orders, pieces of equipment, and not just General Ledger accounts. Recurring GL entries, General Ledger, files, set up recurring GL entries, only accepts General Ledger accounts for postings. We set up the recurring journal entries in the Files menu, and then when we're ready, we go ahead and post them in the Processing menu. Let's set one up in the General Ledger, Files, Set up Recurring Journal Entries. Enter the company, enter a code for the recurring entry code that best describes the entry. Comments, you can describe the code here. Group code, multiple recurring journal entries can be grouped together to be run all at once using a group code. Don't post after, don't post before. Select a date that you don't want the posting to be after. Select a date that you don't want the journal entry to be posted before. These dates frame the time period to which the posting can start and end by for specific periods. Details button. Go here to enter the distribution of the recurring journal entry that you wish to be performed until the Don't Post After date is reached. Final balance. Select this field if you would like the final balance posting on the last month. A balance payment can be entered into the Final Balance Distribution button. The balance payment amount will get posted on the last month and will only apply to the final posting. Now that we have our journal entries saved in a list, let's go to the Processing menu in General Ledger to post them. Navigate to General Ledger, Processing, Post Recurring Journal Entries, and enter the company. Select a date of record that you would like the entries to be posted, and then select the journal that the entries will belong to. Option. There are three selections in the list. All recurring journal entries. This is to post to all recurring entries in the same time frame. Selected entry only. When this is selected, the If Selected field will be enabled, and you can pick the recurring entry from the list that you would like to post. Group of entries. When this is selected, the If Group field will be enabled, and you can type in the group code that you have set up in the previous step. Now let's go to the top right-hand corner, to the Edit Details button. We will only use this button if you would like to make edits or corrections to the recurring journal entry. Place the cursor in the Amount field for the entry you would like to edit and hit Enter on your keyboard to open the Account Distribution window. New lines may be added to the entry. However, these lines will be temporary unless the flag Update Changes to Recurring Journal Setups is checked prior to saving and processing your changes. Sticky Note. Use this button to attach notes to all lines in this entry. Notes added at the start of the posting will be overridden by those added to the GL details lines in the distribution. This completes the end of our video, How to Create and Post Recurring Journal Entries. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our Jonas Club Management YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you in the next one.